Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Grubhub account. For that you need to go and open your app, and this app is not available in my region, so I'll just tell you what to do. Go to their login page and you need to log in using your email and password, or you can also sign in through your Apple, Facebook, Google, and also you can sign in through your Apple, Google or Facebook, and signing in with your Google, Facebook and Apple platform will be a lot easier. Just enter your just tap on your platform and then select your account, and after that you need to give them access about your name, profile picture and Gmail account if you are using your Gmail, and if not, if you are using your Facebook, just tap on your Facebook platform and tap on continue as your username, and that is how you can sign up using your platforms. And I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.